started by cutting up the blouse from a pattern that I pre-made. So I'm gonna show you how you make a puffy sleeve. So this is a basic sleeve pattern. I'm gonna cut two, so this fabric is doubled into two. Maybe I'm gonna double it. I'm gonna say that's 10, so I'm gonna do 20 going down, and then 36, 20 by 36. So here is the fabric that I'm going to use for the sleeve. So it's folded into two, so I'm just gonna cut it into half. And the fabric is double the size of this. So what I'm going to do right now is I am going to gather the bottom and join it to here. Okay, so I've gone ahead and gathered it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave 4 inches from here to here and 4 inches on the edges. Then I'm gonna take these, turn it right side to right side like that, and then sew it all the way. Remember, we are sewing it this side facing up. So I'm gonna sew it. I have that pin, I've put an S, I'm just gonna pull it and sew it all the way to the end. So I've already done this. So whenever we turn it around, it will look something like this. I'm gonna take off the binding, and then now what we've done, I've gone and notched this middle bit and the middle of this. So I'm gonna hold these two bits together. So with this one, I'm doing it right side facing up, because then it will make it easier for me to join it with the sleeve, join it on the sleeve. So I'm doing that, and again I'm gonna do sew 4 inches going inward, just 4, and then afterwards I will start pleating all the way up and then pleating all the way this. So 4 inches to here, and then I pleat. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do 4 inches and mark it, and then do another 4 inches and mark it, pleat it, and then that's how we are gonna go about it. Once I did this, the bottom bit, I turned it around and did that side. So I pleated it at the front on the notch. So I did 3 pleats going this way, 3 pleats going that way, and did it all the way round. So then what happens is you turn it inside out and you sew it all the way round, and sew it all the way round, which I have done with this other one. So it's sewn in. I'll show you all the way around. There's just the opening for my arm, and then this opening here will go over here. So these will go all the way over here, and I'll attach it to the arm. This is what I'm trying to make. So that's how the top looks like. It's a U, that's the shape of it, and this one is the back. This is the back. This is my front. I have gone ahead and also cut a lining to it. So what we're gonna do right now is just cut it into some sort of fold it so that we have a good. So cut it into that U kind of shape, because that's how this one looks like. So I want it to look like that. So that's a U. The end product here. So now the back. So the back, because I made it one piece, I'm gonna fold it into half. I've gone ahead and measured it. I've done 2. I've left an allowance to fold it because I'm gonna fold and press to make life easier. I had pre-made the long strips, so right now I'm just measuring how much I need to use for the loops, and then I'll cut all of them. I've gone ahead and joined the sides and the top for both of them. And this is the inner bit. I've just put this thing in, and there, because the back is open, this one will be used as a bra. So I have a bra that I've cut that I'll just dip in there. I'm a member of the Itty Bitty Tiny Titty Society, so I can get away with that. To join all the arm, the inner bit, I'm not gonna join the outer bit because the outer is gonna get joined to the sleeve. I'm gonna try and turn it inside out. Oh no, first of all, I'm gonna put that one in. So basically that, I don't know how many I'm gonna have in, I'll count. And then just match them and put them all the way up here. All the way. I think I'm gonna do a tacking because that will make my life easier. And then after I've done that, I will turn it around and press it. But basically all this is done. So when we turn it around, the other thing that's remaining is just adding on the sleeve. The sleeve. So all done. And I'll show you, like when we turn it around, you know, the neck and the armhole, we have all that, which I'll just turn around and press. Turn around and press it all the way so that when it's folded it looks nice. Okay, it's all done, and I've gone ahead and pressed it. So we have this side that I have done. I'm gonna cut the extras, just chop them off. I should have one more down here. I'm gonna top stitch here and add 2. I think there's 2 left, so I'm gonna add 2 of them, top stitch it, and then we are done. And then after that, I will attach the sleeve on both sides. And then we are good to go. So 2 more on the sleeve, and then we are Gucci. So here is the finished product. I did this off camera. So what I did is I just folded it into 2 folded the other side and this side, and then top stitched it, and I just put a knot at the end. The whole thing is about, I want to say 80 inches long, 80 inches long for the whole of that. And then I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the hooks, and then I just crisscrossed them. Off camera, I also attached the sleeve. That's how the sleeve looks like. I'm gonna show you the front bit. And this is how the blouse looks like right now. All done, that's how it looks like. I am very happy with how it came out. I have tried it on and I got a lot of compliments. I did such a great job, if I can say so myself. If you have stayed with me this long, kindly consider subscribing. Thank you ever so much for watching, and stay tuned for more interesting tutorials.